A stalemate in the investigation of Operation Fast and Furious. That's the federal gun-running sting that may have led to the death of American border agent Brian Terry and countless cartel victims in Mexico. Attorney General Eric Holder and the Justice Department blaming U.S. attorneys in Arizona for giving Congress bad information. Now those prosecutors are refusing to testify. William Lajeunesse back on the story live in L.A. William, what's the issue?
Well, Bill, that testimony could determine if this investigation ends with a bang or a whimper. These attorneys know if Fast and Furious was, as the Attorney General contends, a rogue operation by a few bad apples in Phoenix or a top-down Washington-approved scandal. Now, Patrick Cunningham was the lead attorney for this case. He was subpoenaed before Congress and is now taking the fifth, refusing to answer questions. Oversight Chairman Issa calls this a major escalation of Justice Department culpability, and without his testimony, the committee can't gauge the veracity of the department's claims that Washington knew nothing about this operation. So yesterday, the committee requested to talk to Cunningham's number 2, attorney Mike Morrissey. Holder claims Morrissey, however, is not allowed to talk to the committee.
Of course, we're worried about people taking the fifth for two reasons. First of all, it thwarts the investigation, and second of all, it is an indication that somebody has something which they believe, if they tell us the truth, could lead to their indictment.
No comment from the Justice Department. Bill?
What happens now, William?
Well, here's the dilemma. So far, the committee has no smoking gun and they're running out of bullets. Critics say Congress hasn't played hardball. No prosecutions, no contempt proceedings. All that's left may be putting Cunningham and Morrissey in front of the cameras to turn up the heat on Holder.
The turning point is going to be how the public reacts to this, how the public reacts to the idea that senior law enforcement officials are taking the fifth and that the Justice Department is not able to produce someone who can tell the truth.
Now, the Attorney General appears before the committee, Bill, a week from today.
All right, William, we'll stay on top of it. Thank you, William Lajeunesse in L.A. with that update. Martha.
Well, did you see